क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 डिस्कस करते हैं विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टोपोलॉजी इज नॉट टोटली डिस्कनेक्टेड। तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है आर विद यूजुअल टोपोलॉजी इज करेक्ट आंसर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नोवेयर डेंस इन आर। ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, जी इज करेक्ट आंसर। 53 which of the following is dense in R? So correct option is C and D. R by Z and Q is correct answer. Now discuss question number 54. X y double dash plus y dash is equal to 0 has a solution y is equal to ln x on interval. Which interval is correct? Option A is correct. Open interval 0 to infinity is correct answer. 55 which of the following is not linear? So option B is correct. Y dash is equal to sine into x. 56 solution of y dash is equal to x plus y over x is option C is correct. Y is equal to x ln k x ka mod. 57 which of the following differential equation is not exact? So B option is correct. Y dx is minus x dy is equal to 0. Using the definition of exact, we can find. Now 58. Integrating factor by y dash plus mu over x y is equal to x power mu is. So first option is correct. X power mu or u. Integrating factor definition, we can solve it. 59. The area bounded by y is equal to y 4 minus x square and axis is 32 by 3 is correct answer. 60. Which of the following is scalar? So option B is correct. A dot B cross C is correct. B cross. 61. Projection of A and B is projection A on B. So option C is correct. A dot B over B. 62. Which of the following is scalar quantity? Specific heat is scalar quantity. Momentum vector है, magnetic field intensity is a moment vector है, and moment of force is vector. 63. A vector lying in the plane of A and B is A and B vector lying plane. Option A is correct. A cross into B cross. A cross B into cross C is correct answer. 64. Ta and B denote respectively the tangent, principal, normal, and binomial vector to curve. Then osculating plane to the curve at P containing ta and N is correct. Note that ta and B normal plane, N B tangent plane, T N is osculating plane. 65. Let ta and B as in above equation. Then ta B minus kt is equal to dn by ds. These formulas are Frenet formulas. Must learn it. 3. Frenet formulas. 66. Normal plane is perpendicular to ta and B at T cross N. So correct option is B option is correct. N. 67. Ta cross B is equal to minus N. See this? If we go clockwise, the negative sign. Understand this portion. Ta cross B minus N. Ta B, if we come left side, the negative sign. Ta N is equal to B. Anti-clockwise then positive. Rotation must keep in mind. 68. X belongs to C. X power 4 is equal to 1 is a correct option is A option. Subgroup of C minus 0 under multiplication. 69. R3 under vector product form a Groupoid. Now learn definition. Groupoid definition satisfy clear law. Semigroup satisfy associative law. Monoid semigroup which also satisfy identity law. If four laws are, if inverse law hold in monoid, then it is group. 70. An element x of group G satisfy x square is x is idempotent. Idempotent is correct answer. Next question है 71. Z by n generator is isomorphic to Zn is correct answer. Next option है read this theorem. Every finite cyclic group of order n is isomorphic to Zn. 72. Let G a power 12 is equal to E, then G a power 5 का generator जो है A5 is generator. Using a definition of generator, let 73G is equal to B power 70E, then G can be any non-identity element. Option B is correct. 74. Let G is equal to alpha cube is equal to beta square is equal to beta square E. Then the correct option A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? तो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट है. ऑप्शन डी जो है ये इसकी करेक्ट है. ई इंटू बी. 75 का स्टैंडर्ड जी इज अल्फा बीटा अल्फा 4 इज इक्वल टू बीटा स्क्वेयर अल्फा बीटा होल स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू ई. देन ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट, ई ए स्क्वेयर. 76. Which of the following is not true for an abelian group? abelian group के लिए कौन सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट नहीं है? जी सिंपल ग्रुप. 77. Inner automorphism of Q8 set of quaternion is known as C2 cross C2 is correct option. 78. Number of conjugation classes of a cycle group of order 6 is correct answer. 79. Number of non-isomorphic abelian group of order 12 is 2 is correct answer. 80. Order of silo 2 subgroups of Q8 is 8 is correct answer. Which of the following is an idol of R? So option B 0 is correct answer. 82. Which of the following is not an integral domain? Set of M2 of 2 by 2 matrices with integer entries like this. Option D is correct. Matrices जो है. 83. Which of the following is a field? Option A is correct. A plus B 2 का square root AB belongs to Q. Q is rational number. 84. Which of the following is not a vector space? R over C is not a vector space. 85. Let phi z, so z phi be phi of A is equal to A mod 5, then kernel of phi is equal to option B 0 plus minus 5 plus minus 10. 86. The number of proper idols of Z 17. So 1. So factor of 17 is equal to 1 and 17. 87. Which of the following is a division ring? Division ring Q. Q plus into multiplication. Minus 1 to 2 x plus x comma dx is equal to 4. We can solve. We get answer 4. 89. X is equal to 6 and R3 represents as plane is correct answer. 90. Kernel of T R cube to R cube under T of x y z is equal to x y 0. So correct option is a line. 91 dimension of homomorphism R312. We multiply by 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So 12 is correct answer. 92 dimension of the homo M order क्या है 2 4 and P2 into T. So we can 24 is correct answer. C formula how we can multiply 4 to 8 or and 8 3 24. So see this dimension of P and T n plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 2 4 2 4 8 8 3 24. A die is thrown. The probability that number on the top are prime number or odd number. एक डाई अगर आप उसको थ्रोन करते हैं तो इसकी क्या बात की प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि उसके ऊपर जो है प्राइम नंबर आएगा या ऑड नंबर आएगा. तो 2/3 इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. 94 a coin is tossed 4 times. एक सिक्का जो उसको 4 बार टॉस किया गया है. The probability that at least one time one head occurs, एक हेड जो आता है उसकी 15/16 इस करेक्ट आंसर है. कंप्लीमेंट्री लॉ लगाना है प्रोबेबिलिटी का. नंबर ऑफ नेकलेस मेड फ्रॉम 9 बीड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स इज FSC चैप्टर 7 एग्जाम्पल 3 है. तो 8 फैक्टोरियल बाई 4 2 इज करेक्ट आंसर है. 96 पीरियड ऑफ 3 cos x by 5 is, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर 10 पाई है. We know period of cos is 2 pi. Period of 3 cos x by 5 is 2 pi by 10. So 10 pi is correct answer. 97 range of secant inverse is FSC question है chapter number 11 0 pi minus pi by 2. 98 solution of the sin cos 3/4 FSC question है chapter number 4. तो A option is correct. 99 which of the following is tautology. tautology ऐसी स्टेटमेंट होती है जो ट्रू होती है फॉर ऑल के लिए. 100 f of x is equal 1 by z is not uniform continuous in the region. So option number C is correct. Z mod greater than 0 lesser or equal to 1 is correct. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.